Hello, tis I am very depressed about everything, and before I start talking about what I'm depressed about I shall give you an update. Yesterday I got a pizza. But it was stupid DiGiorno's pizza. Like what the hell, I don't even like DiGiorno's pizza, and it is frozen. What were you thinking? I'm locked in my basement, I don't have an oven. How dare you? Ugh, I can't stand people these days. Another reason why I am depressed. Thanks pizza, you made me forget what I was gonna talk about. God damn it. Okay, now I remember. It was going to be something about July 4th, but who cares? This pizza has angered me so much I am going to do a video about that. Pizza. Now then, why does DiGiorno's pizza suck? Because it's local at Logicsvjgal. D-Dekf. W-Uljk. Also it's frozen pizza and it sucks. I am going to drown myself or something like that. Thanks DiGiorno's pizza.